So this is Ohio Street, East Ohio and Michigan Avenue. Some renovation going on the street there. But again, I'm staying on the sidewalk so I can show you the amazing pictures of thousands of people walking on Michigan Avenue on both directions, on both sides of the street. Look how beautiful this art is here. Look at that. All right, and now we got this world famous street musician, pianist Eric Greenaw playing music, and then somebody's dancing as well. So I'm gonna capture a little bit of this picture. Beautiful, beautiful music by Eric Greenaw. I filmed it before, so we're not gonna stay here too long, but I'm gonna show you a little bit of his amazing musical talent. And then on the corner of Ontario Street and Michigan Avenue, and that's Eric Greenaw playing the piano, the keyboard, and some people dancing. Beautiful. That was Eric Greenaw. I may do a separate video just to show him performing, and very, very well known. He was telling me, hello, how you doing? I couldn't talk as I was filming, but I went and filmed his information. So follow him on social media. You saw his handle there on the sign that I just showed you. So it's really, really very talented musician, very well known, and not just in Chicago but in other areas of the country as well.